Most people think Brazilian waxing has to hurt, but it doesn't have to. With the right preparation, it can feel smoother, faster, and way more comfortable. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever left a waxing appointment wishing it felt easier, this video is for you. We'll cover how to prepare your skin, what to do afterward, and one insider trick that makes a big difference. Let us be honest, waxing can feel uncomfortable when your skin isn't ready. Dry skin, tight pores, and skipped aftercare are usually the main reasons. Once you fix those issues, the whole experience becomes much smoother and more pleasant. Step 1. Exfoliate gently the day before your wax. This removes dead skin so the wax can grip hair evenly and reduces ingrown hairs. Step 2. Keep your skin hydrated, but avoid heavy oils on waxing day. Flexible skin helps reduce discomfort. Step 3. Always use clean, sanitized tools or fresh applicators. Hygiene is essential for both comfort and safety. Step 4. After waxing, apply aloe vera or a fragrance-free soothing gel. This calms the skin and minimizes redness. Step 5. Wear loose clothing and avoid heat, friction, or workouts for 24 hours. Allowing your skin time to recover keeps it smooth and healthy. Here's a professional trick many people don't know. Lightly dusting baby powder on your skin before waxing absorbs moisture. It helps the wax stick to hair instead of skin. This small step can make your next waxing session noticeably more comfortable. So the key is simple: prep, wax, and care. When you follow these steps, your skin stays calm, smooth, and irritation-free. Doing it right makes waxing an easy and confidence-boosting part of your self-care routine. If this video helped you, hit the like button to show your support. Share your own waxing or skincare tips in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-based beauty and wellness guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to smooth, healthy, confident skin every day.